Addition can help you solve word problems and algebra equations. Mandy and Billy stopped by a large, creepy, haunted house. Lots of ravens were on the telephone wire beside the house. "Caw, caw," the ravens called, and then one by one they flew away. "I saw 6 birds fly away," Mandy told Billy. "Then I counted 13 birds still on the wires." How many birds were on the wires when Mandy and Billy first stopped by the creepy, haunted house? Mandy and Billy's problem can be written as an algebra equation. Let R be the number of ravens on the wire when Mandy and Billy stopped by the house. R minus the 6 ravens that flew off equals the 13 ravens still on the wire. To find the value of R, you want to get it alone on the one side of the equal sign. What must you do to get R alone? You must estimate the minus 6. You can do that by adding 6 to each side of the equation. There were 19 ravens on the telephone wires when Mandy and Billy first stopped by the house. Subtraction can help you solve word problems and algebra equations. Igor is the caretaker of the haunted house. He told Mandy and Billy there were bats flying around in here before I started my lunch. Then, while I ate my lunch, I saw 12 more bats fly in. Now there are 27 in the house. How many were in the house before lunch? The caretaker's problem can be written as an algebra equation. Let Y be the number of bats in the haunted house before lunch. Y plus the 12 bats that went in at lunchtime equals the 27 bats in there now. Y plus 12 equals 27. To find the value of Y, you want to get it alone on one side of the equal sign. What must you do to get Y alone? You must eliminate the plus 12. You can do that by subtracting 12 from each side of the equation. Before lunch, there were 15 bats in the haunted house. Multiplication. Multiplication can help you solve word problems and algebra equations. "Yikes," Billy said when he and Mandy left the house. "I'm glad to get out of there. Skeletons were everywhere." Mandy asked Igor, "How many skeletons are in your house?" "I won't tell you," Igor said and laughed. "But I'll give you an algebra problem. Solve the problem and you'll know how many skeletons there are." Billy took a pen and notebook from his backpack. "Take our mystery number, the number of skeletons in the house, and divide that by 4, the number of rooms in the house, and you'll get 5, the number of skeletons in each room." Here's what Billy wrote. Z divided by 4 equals 5. Z is the number of skeletons in the haunted house. 4 is the number of rooms in the house. 5 is the number of skeletons in each room. In the equation, Z divided by 4 equals 5, Z over 4 means that Z is divided by 4. The value of Z, you want to get it alone on one side of the equal sign. You can do that by multiplying each side of the equation by 4. Z over 4 multiplied by 4 equals 5 multiplied by 4. Z multiplied by 4 is 4Z. So there are 20 skeletons in the house. Division can help you solve word problems and algebra equations. Igor told Mandy and Billy, "I have a black cat and my cat had kittens. I won't tell you how many kittens I have, but I will tell you that the kittens have 28 legs total." How many kittens does Igor have? Let K be the number of kittens, since each kitten has 4 legs. 4 multiplied by K equals 28. The equation 4K equals 28 means 4 multiplied by K equals 28. To find the value of K, you want to get it alone on one side of the equal sign. You can do that by dividing each side of the equation by 4. Igor's cat had 7 kittens. You already know how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Now you know how to help you with algebra. Solving mysteries is fun. Algebra helps you solve math mysteries. And this is just a fun project at the end of the book. The